pretend my dad doesn't exist and he can forget about me too.
These were your father's belongings. Mr. Song Di-yun has passed away. Before he died, he left these things for you, Ka-young.
Камина в 6 утра, разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.
We are not horses. We are humans.